Are you ready to unlock one of the most powerful ingredients in the plant-based world? Something that's incredibly nutritious, budget-friendly, easy to cook and absolutely delicious. Today, we're diving headfirst into the magic of sweet potatoes and how they can transform your entire plant-based journey. Welcome to the flavor revolution. If you're tired of bland veggies, boring tofu, or yet another uninspired salad, this is the video you've been waiting for. We're talking bold spices, rich textures, satisfying flavors, and sweet potatoes that practically melt in your mouth. This is not your average healthy meal. This is food that excites your taste buds, fills you with real energy, and makes you want to come back for seconds, thirds, and maybe even breakfast leftovers. Whether you're fully vegan, trying out meatless Mondays, or just looking for seriously good food that happens to be plant-based, this video will change how you think about vegetables forever. Why sweet potatoes? Because they're nature's gift to your plate. Packed with vitamin A for healthy skin and vision, fiber for gut health and satiety, natural sugars for slow-burning energy, antioxidants to fight inflammation. But most importantly, they're versatile. Roasted, mashed, blended, stuffed, they do it all. Today, we're going to show you how to turn these orange powerhouses into a complete, restaurant-level, plant-based experience. So stop scrolling. Hit that subscribe button. Turn on notifications. You do not want to miss this. The dish: spicy maple-glazed sweet potato bowls with avocado cream. Let's cook. This recipe hits all the marks: flavor, texture, color, nutrients, and it's ready in under 30 minutes. Ingredients for the sweet potatoes: 2 large sweet potatoes, peeled and cubed, 1 TBSP olive oil, 1 TSP smoked paprika, 1/2 TSP cumin, 1/2 TSP chili flakes, salt to taste, 1 TBSP maple syrup for final glaze. For the avocado cream: 1 ripe avocado juice of 1 lime, 1 garlic, clove, 1 TBSP olive oil, salt, 2 taste water, too thin for the bowl, 1 cup cooked quinoa or brown rice, 1 cup black beans, canned or cooked, handful baby spinach, pickled red onions or sliced radish, optional for crunch. Directions: preheat oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius. Toss the sweet potato cubes in olive oil, paprika, cumin, chili flakes, and salt. Spread on a baking tray and roast for 20 to 25 minutes until golden and crispy on the edges. While they roast, blend all avocado cream ingredients until smooth and silky. Add water, a tablespoon at a time, to reach desired consistency. In a bowl, layer quinoa, black beans, spinach, and hot roasted sweet potatoes. Drizzle the avocado cream generously. Add a touch of maple syrup over the sweet potatoes for a final flavor punch. Top with optional radish or pickled onions for brightness. Boom! You've got yourself a plant-based power bowl that feels like a cheat meal, but fuels you like a champion. This is what real food looks like. No weird powders, no processed fake meats, just colors, textures, and tastes that explode on your tongue and nourish your body. So here's what you need to do next. Like this video if your taste buds are tingling, subscribe if you want more plant-based fire in your life, comment below with your favorite sweet potato recipe, and share this video with someone who thinks plant-based means boring. Let's flip the narrative one bite at a time.